guys, my name is Miss Hermes, and today we're going to be learning together about biographies. To start out, what is a biography? Do you know? Well, it is a story about someone's life written by somebody else. Today we're going to read together a part from Abraham Lincoln's biography. As I read, follow along on your screen and listen carefully to the words they use and how Abraham Lincoln is described and explained. Let's begin. What is Abraham Lincoln most known for? Lincoln is most famous for leading the country during the American Civil War. His leadership in the North helped the country to remain strong and defeat the South, keeping the country united. He also pushed for the freedom of all slaves throughout the nation. Growing up, Abraham Lincoln came from humble beginnings. He was born in a single-room log cabin in Hardin County, Kentucky. His parents were Thomas and Nancy Hanks Lincoln. His father lost everything when Abraham was young, and they had to move to Perry County, Indiana, where they struggled to get by. When he was just 9 years old, his mother died, and his sister Sarah took care of him until his father remarried. Abraham had very little formal education, but had a strong interest in books and learning. Most of what he learned was self-educated and from books he borrowed. His family later moved to Illinois, where Lincoln would set out on his own. As a young man, Lincoln worked for a variety of jobs, including shopkeeper, surveyor, and postmaster. For a time, he even split firewood with an axe for a living. He soon moved into politics and won a seat in the Illinois legislature when he was 25. Now, we're going to create biographies of our own. So you can grab out your activity sheet, and we're going to fill in each of the blanks about a person of your choice. You can choose a brother or a sister or anyone close to your age that you know information about. This biography you're creating is about the person that you choose. You can pause the video here and take some time to do this. Now that we've finished completing our activity sheets and making our biographies, take some time to read the biography you just created. How is this biography you just wrote different from what we read together of Abraham Lincoln's? In what ways? Is it in the words used? Are the topics different? Or is it simply in the way each of the writers speaks? What do you think? You can go back here and look at Abraham Lincoln's biography to get some more information. After you've had some time and really thought about these questions, share with anyone in your household the biography you just created. Explain to them what you've learned about Abraham Lincoln, and discuss with them how you think the biography you made is different from the biography of Abraham Lincoln. Thank you for learning with me.